11 Exquisite, one box. Team rundown, real quick here. We've got Mo with the Steelers, Ravens, Giants, Rams, Rob Titans, BBC, Chargers, Danny Holton Collector, Cowboys, Mo Bears, Cowboys again, good luck this time, man. Rob Patriots, Colts, BBC Falcons, Rob Jags, BBC Packers, Poo Pounder Raiders, Rob with the Eagles, Bengals, Packer Bob with the Lions, Rob with the Niners, Panthers, Saints, Broncos, and BBC with the Bucks, Browns, Bills, Redskins, Dolphins, Vikings, and Texans. Good luck, guys. 7 cards to go through here. There's a lot of Cowboys in here, man. Yeah, it's a sign. You got them 2 in a row. Have pulled the DeMarco. Squallover has one of those, actually. Fortress of wrappers. And I'm going to need a name lookup on our first one, it looks like, unless somebody knows. Alright, everybody. Best of luck again, guys. First card, we've got Steve Owens, number 6 of 75. I don't know who Steve Owens is. Second card. For Denver, number to 99, Brock Osweiler, 37 of 99. Exquisite Dimensions, Jim Plunkett, excuse me. And I believe that will be going to the Raiders. I know he played for New England, but we'll double check that. I think we've had to do him before. No homo. He goes to Oakland, I believe. Plunkett. For the Lions, we've got Mikel Leshoure RPA, numbered to 135. Alright, and we have a multi-card coming up. So real quick, everybody knows, I'm assuming, multi-card, if one of the owners has more teams, multiple teams, they win. So, multi-card coming up. We have a... got a 3-way here. Christian Ponder, Andy Dalton, Colin Kaepernick. Six of 15. That is a hot card right now. Exquisite Collection Ensemble. 3. It's going to be Bengals, Vikings, Niners. Rob, you bastard, do you... You probably do. Alright, card number 6. For Philly, I believe, Ronald Johnson. Pretty weak. Ronald Johnson, 57 of 75. Last card already. Good luck, guys. We've got Anthony Allen, number 2 of 70. Anthony Allen. Is he Baltimore? So, Anthony Allen, 2 of 70. So, that was big. And Leshoure's pretty nice. It ain't too bad. It's got like a, I don't know if that's on the outside of the box or on the inside. There's kind of like a dirt spot or something in there. Brock Osweiler, not too bad. Steve Owens, gotta figure out who Steve Owens is. Alright, Vikings, Bengals, and Niners. Rob, you bastard. I'm gonna change the rules on this one since I got the Vikings. Nah, congrats, man. Number 215, that's a big one right there. Alright guys, that was box 2 from the case of Exquisite.